So you have ceramic window tint and you have carbon tint. So what carbon tint is the tint everybody's used to. It's, hey, my glass, I need privacy because I don't want robbers to look into it. I want to hide my stuff. That's what carbon tint is. So when carbon tint came out, it was very, very, very popular. But I think what people in the marketplace thought carbon tint is, oh, if there's a shade on my window, that means it's going to get cooler in the car. And unfortunately, that is not the case. And that's when ceramic window tint came out. So ceramic window tint gives you the shade, but it also gives you the heat rejection. And the heat rejection is what brings a lot of value because it will keep your car cooler. It will help maintain the temperature in the vehicle too as well. And also a side product too, it'll help keep the interior better from cracking on your dashboard and things like that. Now, one thing I will say is if you pull up on a July day in a parking lot, and let's say your car is 70 degrees inside, you just were in it, the AC's on, all is well. You go into the store 2 hours later, you come out, your car is not going to be 70 degrees, okay? It's not gonna work like that. That's just, it's unrealistic. But one thing I will say is that, let's say you have a remote start on it. If you remote start your vehicle before you get out there, let's say maybe 5 or 10 minutes before you leave the store, your car is definitely going to be significantly cooler if you just have the ceramic window tint than if you didn't have the ceramic window tint. People like to use more of a shade with the doors to have the privacy, but on the windshield, a lot of states you can't have any sort of shade on the windshield. So in Texas, it has to be a 70% or above. We use an 80% here. Once we put it on, it's basically on and clear. You're not really going to notice that it's on there at all. The only time you might notice that it's on there if you're wearing polarized sunglasses, you might see a little bit of a purple rainbow come through from the tint itself. We can definitely use that tint on the doors too as well. Some customers just want the heat rejection, but they want to be able to see in the car too as well. A lot of show cars and stuff like that might do that because they want the heat rejection as they go down the road when they're driving to the show, but at the same time, they want people to enjoy the vehicle too and see the inside of it without having to roll the windows down.